Hey everyone! Today, I'm unboxing something super fun and creative, the brown box cross stitch kit. Let's dive in and see what's inside the kit. A beginner-friendly instruction manual to guide you step by step. 2 high-quality cross stitch sheets. Well-organized 7 colorful embroidery yarns to bring your designs to life. 1 easy-to-handle embroidery needle with a big hole. And the highlight of this kit is a premium khadi cloth tote bag. This tote bag is eco-friendly, washable, and stylish, which is a sustainable fashion statement. This is a complete kit. You won't need to buy a single extra thing. Just open the kit and start stitching right away. The brown box cross stitch kit is your complete creative companion. Order now and make it yours. Thank you.